Just getting loaded up, ready to go, checked out from Enstone back to Dunkeswell. What's this machine coming in? It's a yak, I think. Woo! Beautiful landing to the sunset. So it's coming up 3:30. Official darkness or official night time begins at 5 o'clock. Give or take a few minutes at Dunkeswell because the weather's good and they're doing night flying there tonight. I thought I'd take the opportunity to do some night landings to actually get back there after dark and do certainly at least one light landing. But I haven't done a landing in the dark for years, so I'm going to be taking it very, very easy, very carefully. I've got to get my head torch out, actually, the one I've always got hanging up there, which of course the day I need it is not hanging up there, but I know where it is. Found it. These are great. I think 20 quid or 25 quid on Amazon, but they've got the red light and the white light, and nice dim red light, bright red light, and red light's off, so. And it also tilts. So I'll be wearing that on the way back. Although I could get back there, land, and then do the circuits after dark, I suppose. I might do that actually. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fly back, land, and then wait and see how I feel about doing nighttime circuits. Yeah, I'm happy with this decision about flying back while still light, getting back, landing, and then doing some circuits once it's dark, because that removes the chance of any weather forming after dark that I don't see that gets in the way. I'm being ultra cautious here because, like I said, I'm not feeling very current on my nights. So when I get back to Dunkeswell, I'll be getting back there just about sunset time, but half an hour before official darkness, and then I'll see how I feel and do some circuits. Right, need to get up above 3,000 feet for 3,500 feet. Bryce radar, November 1320 Sierra.
November 1320 Sierra, Bryce radar, good afternoon, pass message.
Good afternoon, November 1320 Sierra is a Cessna 182 on a VFR flight from Enstone to Dunkeswell. Via your overhead but not through your zone. Requesting a basic service, 1 POB, just departed Enstone, a couple of miles southwest of Enstone.
November 0 Sierra, basic service, squawk 3737, Bryce QNH 1017.
Squawking 3737, QNH 1717, November 20 Sierra.
That's 1017 on the QNH.
I'm sorry, 1017 on the QNH, November 20 Sierra. Just climbing through 3,500 feet now for 5,000 feet, 20 Sierra.
Roger.
Right, we are now above 3,500 feet and still climbing. So we're now clear the Bryce zone. 4,500 feet. Wakey, wakey, Charlie. And approaching 5,000 feet. Well, see the sky and I can see the ground, but I can't see anything. Front. As you can see from that GoPro angle, just sunset. What a beautiful winter sunset. That's Bryce Norton. RAF Bryce Norton. So this, I think, is my last flight potentially of the year, unless I get the plane back before Christmas for its annual. So, make most of it, and then yeah, do some night circuits when I get to Dunkeswell. Blindingly bright in the sun, but now passing the mountain enough, so just regular glasses. Oh, this is going to be a boring vlog. Charlie faffing around with his glasses and his batteries. Just realised that this forward angle from the GoPro is actually quite dull. It's just sunset and nothing else. Plane above me, so if we look at the iPad screen here. Plane 3,500 feet above me descending, that's probably coming into Bristol. Dunkeswell radio, November 1320 Sierra.
Sierra 04 right hand, QFE 988.
04 right hand, QFE 988. Yeah, I'm still actually 25 miles out, but I'm going to just fly around a bit, go down the coast down to Exeter and wait until official night time, which I believe is 16:45. Is that right?
Sure.
Roger that. I'll be coming in to do hopefully two touch and goes before stop landing, just after 16:49. Vlogging life. Making it up as I go along. Exeter radar, November 1320 Sierra.
November 1320 Sierra, Exeter.
November 1320 Sierra, the Cessna 182 on a flight from Enstone to Dunkeswell, currently just north of Merrifield, 1 POB, VFR. I'd like to actually not go straight into Dunkeswell. I'm going to do a sort of large left-hand orbit of Exeter Airport before I get back to Dunkeswell. So that I get there in just in time to do some night landings. I'd like a basic service, please, November 20 Sierra.
November 20 Sierra, basic service, Exeter QNH 1019, report your level.
QNH 1019, I am currently 5,400 feet, QNH 1019, November 20 Sierra.
November 20 Sierra, squawk 0423.
Squawking 0423, November 20 Sierra. There's the Christmas wonderland down in Exeter. I can see all the lights flashing. Why are we such suckers for flashing lights, eh? Sparkly lights, we'll go, ooh, let's spend our money. Whether it's a pub, anything, sparkly lights, go and get the money. We're such simple creatures. I'm a sucker for sparkly lights. Next is runway there. Dunkeswell traffic, November 1320 Sierra, 6 miles to the southwest, inbound, long final, runway 04, touch and go. Right. Brakes off, undercarriage down, fixed mixture rich. Fuel on both. Prop full forward. Number 20 Sierra, 2.5 mile final, runway 04. Get this baby slowed down. Reds, greens, blues. Flaps, lights on, autopilot off. First greens blues. Zero Sierra right base, runway 04, touch and go. November 20 Sierra, turning final runway 04, touch and go. First greens blues flaps. I would do more, but they're charging 20 quid a landing or 15 quid if you do 3 or more. But 15 quid a landing, it's 45 quid for 3 landings. That's enough. Okay, my final landing in Dusty, probably of this year. Reds, greens, blues. Fuel on both, flaps 20, autopilot off. Over 20 Sierra turning, right base, runway 04 to land, full stop. Over 20 Sierra, turning final, runway 04 to land, full stop. Yeah, that's much darker now. I can't see the runway numbers, which I could first time. Got to remember there's that bank, mud bank before. Now too low. Greaser for the last landing of 2021, probably, unless I'm ultra lucky to get the plane back. Number 20 Sierra, runway vacated, returning to the hangars. Well, that's all, folks, for 2021, I think, in terms of actual flying this plane. You can always use a club aircraft, I suppose. What a year it's been. God, it's been wild. The Scilly Isles, Scotland, Norway, seaplanes, Sussex, IMC flights, solo IMC flights, instruction flights. Oh, what a wonderful year I have had in this plane. What a wonderful year. Really, very, very fortunate. Mixture, cut off, mags, and master. Good night, Dusty. Really afford to take the time off work this week, but it was the only possibly flyable day, and I'm really glad I did. I'm really glad I did. I'm actually feeling really sad that I don't know when I'm going to find this plane next. I'm fearing a prop overhaul is going to be required, and that takes a bit of time. The annual itself shouldn't take much time if they don't find anything else. Yeah, feeling really sad. Very glad I did today. Very glad, not only because it was a nice day and great fun flying. Got 3 nice flights in. Great breakfast, great lunch. Breakfast at Welshpool, lunch at Soho Farmhouse. But then I also got those night landings in, 3 night landings. So that makes me current on nights. Glad I did that. It was outside my comfort zone, but once I'd done those 3, felt comfortable again. That's the whole point, isn't it? But I'm going to keep on clearing out the plane, leave this running so that Peter can make me run around like on the Benny Hill show. Peter's the editor, by the way. Tell you what though, I'll just drop the bag with all of the GoPros, all the expensive GoPros and stuff, and I'll just drop that. I'll tell you what goes around comes around. So I've skived off work today. I've been flying around the country because this is the last chance I had to fly the plane this year. I did a bit of work actually, both in Welshpool and at Enstone. But work's getting its own back because tomorrow I've got to leave Devon in the morning. I've got to be in London before noon for an all day and all evening estate agency industry annual awards event. Yes, it's exactly like it sounds. But a lot of people, I really like that, and I'm looking forward to seeing them happening for a long time since before lockdown. But tomorrow's going to be an extra long day as well. So I'm now going to get back in the Mercedes and get home in time for supper. Thank you very much for watching all the videos you've watched this year. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.